Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Upskill channel. I will show you how to fix the Windows plus shift+s shortcut not working on your Windows computer. And now let's get started. If the Windows plus shift+s keyboard shortcut for screen capturing is not functioning on your computer, there is a straightforward solution. First, right-click on the Start button, and then select Settings from the menu that appears. In the Settings window, navigate to Bluetooth and Devices. Please note that the location of this setting has recently changed. You will need to find and select the keyboard option. Once you are in the keyboard settings, scroll down until you find an option that says Use the Print Screen key to open screen capture. You must turn this option off. Disabling this setting should resolve the issue with the Windows plus shift+s shortcut. It is important to be aware that in many previous guides, this setting was located under Accessibility, but it has recently been moved to Bluetooth and Devices. Hope this was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.